Compact, practical, personal self-defense is now available with the Guard Dog ElectroLite, the smallest tactical flashlight with a built-in stun gun. For about the same cost as an ordinary flashlight, the Guard Dog ElectroLite replaces your defenseless flashlights with this state-of-the-art self-defense tactical flashlight that is ideal for your everyday purpose. Guard Dog's innovative design features an easy-to-initiate activator that shines 140 lumens of blinding light. With a swift, single-hand movement, you can easily fire off the stun gun in an instant. The ElectroLite comes with the exclusive concealed stun technology and has no visible prongs. Above all, safety is never an issue, as each ElectroLite is equipped with a tail safety switch to prevent accidental discharge and doubles as a child lock. Never buy batteries again. The ElectroLite includes a built-in rechargeable battery, so you are equipped for daily use. Backed by a lifetime warranty, the Guard Dog ElectroLite is the absolute best and most effective form of legal, non-lethal protection. So, what are you waiting for? Get yours now at authorized Guard Dog retailers.